Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the June God's Provisions box. This is a monthly subscription. It costs $33 per month. I do have a code to save $5 off your first box. I will leave the link and all the information down in the description. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them pretty often here on our channel. I was just out of town for 2 weeks, so I'm a little off my game. I usually have like my floating head in the video as well, but I tried it out and I was just a little too awkward, jet lagged today, so we're doing overhead filming. But yeah, if you love subscription boxes, please subscribe, stick around, and welcome back to everyone who's been here. I missed you. So one of my favorite subscriptions. It means a lot that this is the first one I am opening since returning home. So together we shine. Their packaging is always so cute. So all the items, it's a spiritual subscription. They're all based on a theme. So the theme in June is protection. It says always guided and protected. So you get some information on the items inside, and this also doubles as an art print. I love that. And yeah, so you have the theme up there, all the items, and then there's also a ritual here, which is awesome. We'll look at that in a second. And let's just jump straight into it, you guys. The first thing we have here is by God's Provisions, and this is an amulet of protection. Nice. Let's see what this looks like. This has a $19 value. Looks like we have a lot of information on here. Emmy! My cat's a little noisy today. Sorry, guys. And here is the amulet. Oh, this is beautiful. Key. So it looks like you can wear this as a necklace if you want. There's a little loophole there. Keyhole, whatever you want to call it. And let's look inside what this says here. So what is a protection amulet? Your amulet is a powerful tool for fending off bad vibes and negative energy. When you carry a protection amulet, you're harnessing the power of magic and symbolism to create a glowing aura of protection around you. It gives you more information there. It talks about the symbolism, how to cleanse and activate your amulet. And then there's a mantra, ways to use it. I love this. Small, compact, cute, and gives you all the information you need. So first item, love it. Can't wait to learn more about it. I like the bag it comes in too. So let's just set this to the side. And it, and it looks like there is a book or something. Let's open that next. Ooh, perfect. Protection spells. Look how cute this is. An enchanting spell book to clear negative energy, and this is by Aurora Kane. This is so pretty. Open the door to a well-fortified life. By the power of herbs, crystals, candles, and the goddesses, this book of spells and rituals will teach you to harness the resplendent power within to assuage harm, no matter what form it might take. Within these pages, you'll use magic to protect your home, ensure safe travel, protect from illness, freeze out gossip and lies, bolster success, manifest good luck, preserve spiritual harmony. Whether safeguarding your home, travel, or spirit, turn to protection spells to bring you peace of mind. Nice. So let's just flip to our end page and see. Protection from negative thinking. Oh my god, I need this. I've been, like, now I'm not even showing my face, and, like, I didn't like how my videos were looking, like, just in a downward spiral almost. I think I need to, like, bookmark this page so read later. Like, thank you, Spirit. So this has a value of $12.99. This is by Quarto Books. That must be the publisher. Oh. Right there. Awesome. I love getting the books. And I love how small this is too. And it's affordable too if anyone wanted to get this outside the box. But let's keep going. We have, it looks like anointing oil here. Let's get out of the bag. Protection anointing oil. This is 1/2 ounce crystal infused moon oil. It is made by October Occult, and the ingredients are almond oil, jojoba oil, juniper branch oil, lime, organic purple mica, and wild lavender. Ooh, let's see if it smells like lavender. Lavender is protective. Oh, lavender does so many things. So cool. So it has a dropper here. Let's see. Oh my gosh. This smells so good. What is... It definitely has, oh, it's juniper. I'm like, it smells kind of Christmas tree-ish in a way. Juniper and lavender together. Wow, that's divine. This is an $18 value. Oh, it does have fir and cedar in it. Okay, use this juniper branch, fir, and cedar infused oil and rituals to protect against negative energy. For candle anointing, choose a color associated with your intention and rub the oil downwards on the candle. For amulets, crystals, or other objects, place a drop of oil on your fingers and rub on for added protection. Oh my god, you can use this with the amulet. That's perfect. Nice. Let's see what we have. A crystal here. Orange calcite, or what is? Oh, cool! I've never even heard of this. Phantom zebra calcite. That's so cool. We got the calcite part. Let's read about it. So, Phantom zebra calcite, $5 value. Create a positive and balanced atmosphere by using this crystal to clear negative and chaotic energies, amplify positive energy, and to cleanse spaces, creating a balance of energy and emotion. I love that. I love getting new crystals and learning more about them. It looks like there's another crystal in here. Yes, this looks like white howlite. Yep, it is. Let's get this out. Now, this is a very calming stone. See what it says about protection. $5 value. Oops. And white howlite. Promote calmness, patience, and stress relief while enhancing communication, self-awareness, and emotional expression by utilizing the spiritual properties of white howlite. Nice. And then Mystic Moons, a luxurious textile for your creative expression. Ooh, I'm so excited. I think we've gotten something like this from them before. A scarf. I have one right here. But it just reminded me of it. But anyways, that's not what this is about. I'm just excited because I know I like their stuff. Shawl, head wrap, wall hanging, altar cloth, infinite potential. Envelops yourself in moonlight and celebrates the night. This is made from 100% cotton. Care instructions. Out. This has a $44 value. Wow. Seems huge. Oh, is it like a thicker? Yeah, it seems kind of thick. That's what she said. Okay, I couldn't help myself. I'm sorry. Wow. To like zoom out. Can I zoom out? I don't know if they'll let me. But here's one part of it. Hold on, let's see. Oh my gosh, this is seriously bigger than my table. This is so pretty. Okay, let's see what I can do here. Might have to like include another shot of this. But it is beautiful. In the middle of it, there is, sorry, I'm not doing this very well. There's the like a third eye type thing here. There's beautiful flowers on the side. This is awesome. Let me see, is there a picture of it I can show on here? Oh, you can see it in the protective spell there. But you guys, this is so beautiful. Every part of it, oh my gosh. I'm totally gonna use this on, maybe I'll put this on my table and you'll see it in a tarot reading. If you guys don't know, I have another channel, Kitty Rising, where I do mostly tarot readings, astrology stuff, but mostly tarot. So if you guys are interested in that, I will link it down below. Kitty Rising is the name, but this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Let's see. So there's, I'll hold this up close so you can see it there. Wear or place this versatile piece anywhere to add a pop of color and added protection. Use it as a shawl, a table runner, wall decor, altar cloth. The possibilities are endless with this magical piece. Ooh, yeah, wall decor would be cute too. You guys, that was awesome. And they have a blog post here. So they also have the website I'll leave down below. You can see their subscription there. And also they have a shop as well as a blog. So strengthen your protection. Explore our blog to discover magical resources that aid in manifesting protection. And the protective shield rituals. Look at this. It has all the items in here. I love that. This is so awesome. I love that they give us a ritual too. They've been doing that lately. Emmy likes it too. Do you see her keep me out? Cleanse your space. Hold the amulet protection in your hands. Set your intention. Place it on the Mystic Moon's luxurious textile. Rub a few drops of the protection anointing oil into your palms. Inhale the scent. Set your intention again. And then you hold the stones. I'm just doing a really abbreviated version of this. You can screenshot or pause if you want to read all of it. But it tells you about to close your eyes and visualize. And then repeat this ritual as often as you feel necessary to maintain your sense of protection and safety. Oh, I'm totally gonna do this. I'm gonna leave this all out. I'm so excited about this. And I swear, guys, this, you know, this is like bibliomancy, as I always call when you just flip open to a page. I need protection from negative thinking. In this modern world, or so often we find that we constantly compare ourselves to what we see in advertising, television, and social media. We may feel insufficient and judge ourselves too harshly, blocking our intuition and magical abilities. This oil can be used in any spell work to bind self-doubt or limiting beliefs that you can't seem to shake from your thoughts. Yes, I've been having trouble with this. I don't know if I have all of the ingredients, but I'm definitely coming back to this. Super excited about that. But that was everything, you guys. Always guided and protected. That will be my mantra for today. I love that they have that on every single card. And they usually have this color scheme too. I really like it. But okay, what's my favorite item? This is so beautiful. I feel bad. I feel like I didn't show it justice on here because it's so huge. Again, that's okay. I'm gonna stop myself that time. My inner Michael Scott's coming out. But that's it for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts. What is your favorite item? Do you guys get this subscription? If not, if you're interested, again, the link will be down below along with the promo code. But I hope you are well. I miss you all so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and have a great day. Do something special for yourself. You deserve it. I love you. Bye. Oh, I know. We love you.